Hi, Ted Dutcher with EOS. I'm here on a job site at Cherry Creek Presbyterian Church. What we're doing here is we're removing 500 watt halogen fixtures and replacing them with 150 watt LED high bays. EOS came in and did their original audit. What we looked up and saw on the ceiling was a 6-inch can. What you typically find once you're hired and retained to fix a situation by a particular client sometimes surprises you. What you had here was a 12-inch 500 watt halogen that was trying to work through a 6-inch can. My estimation is about 80% of the light never left the ceiling or never left the fixture. It also created kind of a convection oven because it was restricting all the ability for heat to escape. Those things burn at about 285 degrees. So the client complained an awful lot about high maintenance and having to replace lamps all the time. The solution that EOS came up with is a UFO style high bay that actually will be surface mounted onto the tiles. What we also did for our client here is this is a multi-purpose room. The room is also used for worship as well as gymnasium activities. What we engineered for them was a UFO style fixture that cuts the energy usage by about 85% from their previous solution. It also, we use dual chip colors here so we can provide CCT controllable fixtures. So not only can they dim the fixtures, they can also change the colors in those fixtures as well. The CCT technology, which we are one of the first companies, if not the first company, to actually build into a UFO style fixture. We also provide in flat panels and troffer fixtures that are used in schools, many other churches, classrooms, some high-tech areas where they're doing a lot of quality control work as well.